10.5-inch iPad Pro display assembly repair. Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, Phillips screwdriver. Power down your 10.5-inch iPad Pro tablet. The fully laminated 10.5-inch iPad Pro Oxide TFT True Tone display assembly is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the rear case. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. Use the precision knife to create enough space to insert a triangle opening tool. Use triangle opening tools to slice through the strong adhesive and carefully decouple the iPad Pro screen. Don't try to fully separate the display yet, as several fragile ribbon cables still connect it to the iPad's logic board. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws, securing the bracket that covers the display's cables. With the bracket out of the way, detach the cables from the logic board and free the 10.5-inch iPad Pro display assembly. Peel up the piece of black tape. Release the ZIF connector and carefully slide out the home button assembly cable. The bracket that secures the iPad Pro home button and Touch ID is held in place with 2 gobs of adhesive. Use the spudger to pry it up from the front panel. Remove the 10.5-inch iPad Pro home button and Touch ID assembly. All the replacement parts and repair tools used in the video are available at www.Fixez.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials.